The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, on a cozy little farm, a mama duck sat patiently waiting for her eggs to hatch. One by one, the eggs began to crack open. Out came fluffy yellow ducklings chirping happily and waddling close to each other. But one egg was different. It took much longer to hatch. Finally, it cracked open and out came a duckling. But this duckling wasn't fluffy or yellow. He was grey and awkward. The other ducklings stared at him in shock. "What's that?" they asked. "He doesn't look like us." And they started to laugh and tease him. The poor little duckling hung his head, feeling sad and out of place. His brothers and sisters wouldn't play with him. And even the animals on the farm whispered behind his back, calling him the ugly duckling. Feeling lonely and unwanted, the grey duckling decided to leave the farm. Maybe somewhere far away he could find a place where he truly belonged. He wandered far and wide until he came to a pond where a family of geese was swimming. The duckling waddled up and asked, "Can I join you?" But the geese just shook their heads. "You don't look like us," they said. "You'd scare the other geese away." Once again, the duckling felt unwanted. He kept walking until he came to a cozy little cottage. Inside, a kind old woman saw him and smiled. "You can stay with me, little one," she said warmly. "I'll keep you safe." But her cat and hen were not so kind. "What kind of a bird are you?" the cat sneered. "You can't even catch mice." The hen clucked. "And you are too ugly to stay here with us." Feeling worse than ever, the duckling left the cottage and wandered off into the cold world all alone. Winter came and the days grew icy and frosty. The duckling shivered in the snow, dreaming of a place where he could belong. He endured the freezing winds and biting cold, barely surviving until the warmth of spring finally arrived. As the world came back to life with blooming flowers and green grass, the duckling found himself at the edge of a big sparkling lake. On the water, a group of graceful white swans glided past. They were the most beautiful creatures he had ever seen. The duckling sighed to himself. "They are so beautiful. I'll never belong with them." But the swans noticed him and swam over. "Hello there," one of them said gently. "Why are you hiding?" The duckling looked down at the ground. "I'm too ugly to be near you," he replied. The swans tilted their heads in confusion. "Ugly? Look at your reflection in the water," one of them said. The duckling hesitated, but when he looked down into the clear blue lake, he gasped. In the water, he saw not a grey, awkward bird, but a strong, elegant swan. His feathers were pure white, his neck arched gracefully, and his wings were wide and magnificent. He blinked in disbelief. Could it really be true? He wasn't an ugly duckling at all. He had grown into a beautiful swan. The swan smiled warmly and welcomed him into their group. For the first time, the duckling felt truly happy. He spread his wings and glided across the water with his new family, finally feeling at home. And so, the little duckling who once felt out of place learned that being different wasn't something to be ashamed of. Sometimes the most beautiful transformations take a little time. Being different isn't a weakness, but a gift waiting to shine.